Hello guys, let's do another probability question. Over any 20-minute interval, the probability that you will hear at least one car horn on a street is 30%. What is the probability that you hear at least one car horn over 2 hours? Over a 20-minute interval, you have a probability of 30% of hearing one car horn. So over the course of 2 hours, 1 hour, this is another hour. So the probability that you will hear at least one car horn. We can flip the question around by saying, what is the probability of not hearing a car horn over the entire 2 hour, basically over the 6 time slots? Well, for each of the time slot, there's a 1 minus 30% chance of not hearing a car horn. So over 6 of them, there'll be 1 minus 30% to the 6th, which is equal to the probability that you don't have any car horn over 2 hours. So finally, the probability that there is at least one car horn will be 1 minus the top. So 1 minus 0.7 to the 6.